Hello friends, let's talk about the latest games that have dropped on Game Pass this July. Whether you're looking for your next cozy game, an action-packed slayer, a chance to brawl against your friends with some of your favourite cartoon characters, maybe a test of your problem-solving skills, or maybe it's just time to brush off your cricket whites, we have got you covered. I've played all of the latest releases from this month, so you don't have to. Let's dive in. Neon White is a lightning-fast, first-person action game about exterminating demons in heaven. You are White, an assassin that is handpicked from hell to compete with other demon slayers for a chance to permanently live in heaven. The other assassins seem a little bit familiar though. Did you know them from your past life? From this description, I honestly thought this game wouldn't be for me, but then somehow I spent 2 hours just trying it out. I found Neon White to have the perfect balance between being quite frustrating, but also having an epic payoff when you figure out how to complete each level. If you want to test your problem-solving skills and your patience and slay some demons while you're at it, Neon White is an excellent choice for you. We are always looking for new co-op games in our household, and Nickelodeon's All-Star Brawl 2 is the perfect Friday night game. With nostalgic cartoon characters from SpongeBob, Hey Arnold, Jimmy Neutron, Rocko's Modern Life, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and many more, you are bound to find a favourite to button mash your way to victory. Of course, there are unique moves and combos to master each character, but where's the fun in that? The closest thing I can compare this game to has to be Super Smash Bros. So if you loved that, then you're sure to love this. You can have up to 4 players in local or online co-op, so you can team up and play against the computer, or if you're feeling a little feisty, you can battle your friends and loved ones in an all-out brawl. It's up to you. But if you need to practice in your free time to work towards your revenge, there is also a campaign mode to play through. Nickelodeon All-Star Brawl 2 is available on console, cloud, and PC. Best of luck! Magical Delicacy is a single-player, wholesome pixel art platformer. It gives me Stardew Valley and Celeste kind of vibes, and the best way to play this game has to be curled up on the couch with a blanket and snacks. You explore an unfamiliar town and deliver tasty treats to the townsfolk. You cook up magical delicacies from a vast collection of ingredients in your own shop. Learn new ways to traverse, discover secrets, and experience a unique witchy world. Magical Delicacy is available on console, cloud, and PC, so you can play it however you find the coziest. Cricket 24 is the culmination of a decade of cricket video game development and includes teams from every corner of the globe. You will be able to take on major cricket nations including Australia, England, West Indies, New Zealand, Ireland, and many more. Plus, for the first time ever, the professional Indian T20 teams. A random fun fact about me is that cricket actually happened to be my childhood sport of choice. My brother also played and my dad coached his team, so we went to a lot of test matches in the Basin Reserve in Wellington. So it was really surreal being able to play on this pitch in a video game, see surrounding places iconic to my hometown, and hear the New Zealand national anthem. It made this game well worth playing for me. I also just had so many, oh yeah, that's right, kind of moments while I was playing this game as the rules of cricket quickly came flooding back to me. If you love cricket, then this game is for you. If someone you love loves cricket and you just don't really get it, I'd say that this game is also for you. With realistic commentary and great visualizations to better understand what you're doing wrong, it's a great way to learn more about the sport. Cricket 24 is available through EA Play with Game Pass, and you can play it on console or PC. You can also play local or online co-op with 2 players, which is great for me because I'm definitely going to need help with this game. Flock is a multiplayer co-op game about the joy of flight and collecting adorable flying creatures with your friends. Soar through beautiful landscapes seeking out rare and elusive creatures to add to your flock. I absolutely love games like this, and it's the perfect way to relax when you feel like you should be doing something other than just scrolling through your phone. Flock has a really nice balance of having challenges that lead you through the game, because some kind of purpose is important, but it's also really nice to just fly around and explore, collecting new buddies along the way. I gave this game a go by myself, but there is an option of online multiplayer and co-op, which I am very excited to try. Another wonderful cozy game to get invested in. It's also available on console, cloud, and PC. Flintlock: The Siege of Dawn is an action RPG where the door to the Great Below has been opened, unleashing the gods and their armies of the dead. The lands are besieged and the City of Dawn is on the brink of destruction. It is time for the Coalition army to fight back. Embrace vengeance, gunpowder, and magic as you embark on an epic journey to defeat the gods, close the door, and retake your world. You're really thrown straight into battle with this game and need to learn quickly, but you do pick up more weapons and skills as you go along. This game is super engaging and intense, and if you're one for serious battle, you will love Flintlock. Welcome to Hinterberg, a new tourist spot in the idyllic Austrian Alps. Seems like a nice place for a holiday when you're feeling a bit stressed and burnt out from everyday life. But if that's not enough for you, then there are plenty of dungeons to find demons to slay and adventures to be had in Hinterberg. Will you be sent packing on your first day, or remain to become a master slayer? Master magic, solve puzzles, slay monsters, all this and more waits for you in Hinterberg. I absolutely love the style of this game and the different ways that you can interact with and explore the world. This is a great game to get the old brain working on some problem solving too. Kunitsu-Gami: Path of the Goddess is a unique Japanese-inspired single-player action strategy game. During the day, purify the villages and prepare yourself for sundown, because during the night you need to protect the maiden against the hordes of the sea. Repeat this cycle until you cleanse the mountain of defilement and return peace to the land. Again, with this one from the description, I didn't really think this game would be for me, but I absolutely loved it right from the beginning. The cutscenes are beautiful and cinematic, and then you get right into the game with an interactive tutorial. And then it's up to you to protect, purify, and restore peace to the mountain. And those are just some of the games that have been added to Game Pass this month, on top of the existing hundreds of games that are there already. My favourite part of Game Pass has to be the opportunity to play games that I just would never. And this month I've found even more gems to add to my own catalogue of favourites. We would love to hear in the comments what your favourites were too. Thank you so much for joining me to chat about video games. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can catch up with us again next month.